Well, I'm on the kayak. I have to talk loud because I got the thing in my, I got the case, the waterproof case on the GoPro, and I'm drifting here, and I better get back to paddling here in a minute. I'll take a shot of myself here in a little bit, but we're going to paddle over there, and that's where we're heading. Okay. I'm on the paddle, I'm on the kayak here, and the sun's in back of me, so I'm not pointing the correct way. I'm going to have to turn around and get it on the other side. But there's the ship out there, as you can see, as I pan there, and going to pan back here to the other side. On the kayak here, and got a couple boats in back of me here, and sun's in my face, so you can see my head up here now. Sun, okay, and so we're going to do some more kayaking. I'm down here in this kayak. It's kind of small, but it gets me where I want to go, and the ship is in back of me, back over there, which you might be able to see. So this is Ed Gatley signing off. See you later. Bye-bye. I've safely landed on the beach now. No, this is taking video here, that's all right. I'm just waiting to see if this is where he wants me here. This is perfect. Okay. Okay, great.